guys, what's up? It's me again. I'm back to do another headband wig review with you guys, and I hope that you're ready for me because I am ready for you. Okay, so this here comes to us from Amazon. You bet. This is actually a headband wig. It came from Diamond Queen here, and it only costs like $25. So let's see if it's giving what it's supposed to give. So this is the package. I see like it have two headbands in it, so two different colors. So let's look. These are the two bands. And this is the hair itself. It looks cute, very nice. So let's see if it's giving what it's supposed to give. So I took off the mesh, came with a mesh as protection as always, and it has all the necessary hairpins in it to hold it. So let me just go and fix my hair and my edges, and let's see what this wig is doing for us. It's nice. It's really nice. Soft. Edges are done, so let's go. Alright, so everything is in place, everything is clipped down, everybody is giving what they're supposed to give. The hair is really soft, really nice, but let's try it with some of the headbands. Which one should I go with? I'm gonna go with this one. So for me, I normally put it around my neck first, and then I try to move it up and then cover it, fix it over the band. Yeah. Okay guys, it's actually giving what it is supposed to give. I really like it. It's really soft. 10 out of 10 I would recommend. If you guys want the link for this here, or you want to keep up with me and my reviews from Amazon, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is in my bio. Until next time, bye.